Hi, I'm Dr. Joel Kreisberg.
And I'm Reggie Mara.
We're here to talk about the new online coaching clinic beginning in September.
So can you say a little bit more about what you mean by an online coaching clinic, Joel?
Well, I'm going to say the why are we doing a coaching clinic first. I teach at Maryland University of Integrative Health in a one-year post-baccalaureate health coaching program, and my experience is that when students, by the time they've completed the course, they really haven't spent very much time observing a professional health coach doing their thing. So I feel like this is an opportunity for graduates, for students, and for coaches who are early in their business to have a chance to observe and participate in a setting in which we're seeing a professional health coach work with a client.
I really like that idea. It's any coach school that I'm aware of, and I'm aware of several of them, including the school from which you and I graduated, all of them use a triad coaching as a training methodology, where there's a coach who's practicing, a volunteer client, and an observer, who then, after the practice coaching session, exchange feedback from their three different perspectives. So I just like the value of that whole approach. How are you planning on having the observers participate in the online version of this?
Well, that's what's so cool about using online, and that is, well, you're watching it right now. I could be coaching you, you could be coaching me. So the observers get to see it at home in their own space. They don't have to travel to California. And I should say, after the coaching session's done, you and I, because you're going to be working with me as well, get to have a dialogue about what you might have observed, what I was thinking about. And we're also going to spend a good deal, half an hour each time, having students have an opportunity to ask questions and share their observations. So it's going to be a real participatory environment.
Yes, that sounds great. And what are some of the other advantages of actually doing this online beyond the convenience factor?
Well, of course, we get to record all the sessions just like we're recording this session now. And so if you can't make any of the sessions, you can watch them at your own time. So there's an asynchronous component. But the other piece that we've learned, and this is something that I've learned from teaching online for over 10 years now, is that we can also engage each other in the week in between. So we use Moodle, which is an online classroom, to then post my notes, to post observations, and ask the students to actually do reflective work on what they saw and what they're learning and share it so that we actually support each other as a coaching community. So the online format really serves us as feeling like we're part of a clinic working together.
That sounds great. I like all of the advantages and all of the parts of the methodology that you've described. If someone's listening to this and they want to find out more or even register, what would be the best next step for them to take?
Well, assuming you're watching this online because you're on our website at teleosis.org, you could enroll right now. There's a discount for early bird enrollment, which is $50 off the tuition. Of course, if you want more information, we're going to actually have open house. So we're having 2 open house sessions. One is August 26th and one is September 16th. They're both 7 p.m. Eastern time, so whichever time zone you're in. And so we're actually going to have an opportunity to do a mini session. So please feel free to enroll or join us for these open houses so you'll get a sense and a taste of what this very exciting new coaching clinic is going to look like.
That sounds great. Thanks, Joel. And on behalf of teleosis.org, I'm Reggie Mara.
And I'm Joel Kreisberg, and hoping to see you guys soon.